morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Coven coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, November 29, 2018. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 35 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost against the Bucks with a score of 113 to 116. Clubs meeting today are Fuse Club Rotation 2 will meet from 3 to 4:30 in the Fuse Lab. TAP will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. Geography B Club grades 4, 5, and 6 will meet from 3 to 4 in room 206. Board Before School grades 5 and 6 will meet in the LRC at 7:45 tomorrow morning. Today's announcements are, today is Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch and get a slice for $2. And now Miss Young with Classroom of the Week.
Good morning. We have two friends from room 117 that would like to share what they've been doing throughout the year.
Miss Culverman's class is a fun and inspiring classroom to be in. Recently, in cheer reading, we learned all about how people are using green technology. We are also writing opinion pieces to state our beliefs about specific topics such as helping animals or sports. In math, we are learning various division strategies.
In science, we're focusing on energy and how things work. In 4th grade for STEM, we create and program Lego robotics. First, we build a rover out of Legos, then we program it to do very cool and interesting things, such as going forward and backward and going in circles. Overall, we are working hard to shine brighter together.
Thanks, girls.
Today is National Electronic Greetings Day. Did you know email has only been around for 25 years? This week's sign-offs were brought to you by Room 117. Have a thankful Thursday.